The 2013 NJPSA Visionary Vice Assistant Principal of the Year and NASSP Assistant Principal of the Year is Ralph Aiello. Ralph was instrumental in upgrading the technology throughout Cumberland High School.
When I got here, I was kind of taken aback a little bit. One of the things that I had suggested that we needed was basically we needed the wireless infrastructure for our guest network.
As the infrastructure was improved and the district was becoming more adept at using available technology, Ralph initiated a cell phone program that would change the technological culture of the school.
Last year, as an assistant principal, one of the things I spent a lot of our time on is just collecting cell phones. And it was just, in my opinion, a waste of time. So last year I decided to run a pilot with about 6 or 7 different teachers where they were allowed to use any type of personal device within their classroom. We had an ag teacher who would use the smartphones and the iPads to actually take pictures through the microscope to get a picture of the cell. We had other people that would record their different presentations and then put them back up. And then we would have just people that would allow the kids just to listen to their own music with an earbud while they were doing their work.
The success of the pilot led to the use of smartphones and other devices throughout the school.
Most of our teachers, I would say probably 85 to 90%, have moved forward with at least allowing the kids to use it in one form or another. And it has also just allowed us to better communicate with our students. A lot of teachers will post things Twitter-wise to get information out to them, or they'll use it as an exit ticket. They'll post the questions to Twitter, and then as kids are leaving class, they have to post to Twitter to answer that question.
The feedback from the students has been overwhelmingly positive.
I would say the first reaction was, like, it's about time. You know, it was like, what do you, this is stupid, you know, was their original thoughts of, you know, us not being allowed to do this. You know, my mom needed to get a hold of me to, you know, pick up my little brother after school, so she sent me a text and I'm getting in trouble for that. The seniors last year were a little upset that it didn't happen a year sooner, but this year's class, they love it.
And the technological revolution at Cumberland is just beginning.
Next is going to be trying to get as many Kindle Fires as I possibly can into the district. In the next several years, I'd like to get away from textbooks as much as possible. I would like to get to the point where teachers and students are exchanging homework back and forth, either through Google Docs or through Microsoft SkyDrives, to try to eliminate as much of the paper as possible. And then just to get our teachers better educated on different ways to use it.
Congratulations, Ralph, on being named the NJPSA Visionary Vice Assistant Principal of the Year and NASSP Assistant Principal of the Year.